Expanding marketing reach on and offline. How beauty shops, salons, and spas can boost retail sales. When it comes to boosting retail sales, marketing is a key driver. If you're a beauty shop, salon, or spa owner, it's essential to have a marketing plan that not only brings in new clients, but also helps you convert them into regular retail buyers. With the right strategies, you can significantly expand your reach and increase sales, both in-store and online. Tips for expanding marketing reach and growing retail sales. Leverage social media to showcase retail products. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching potential customers and promoting retail sales. Post regularly about the products you offer, share tips on how they can benefit your clients, and showcase before and after results of products in use. Include special offers, giveaways, or promotions to encourage purchases. Use email marketing to promote products. Email marketing remains a great way to stay in touch with your clients. Use your mailing list to send product recommendations based on past services or highlight seasonal promotions. Personalize your emails by offering clients special discounts on the products they've shown interest in. Incorporate in-store promotions and displays. Set up retail displays in high-traffic areas of your salon or spa. Having eye-catching product displays near checkouts or service areas can encourage impulse buys. You can also run in-store promotions where clients receive discounts or perks when they purchase retail products during their visit. Partner with influencers or local bloggers. Partnering with beauty influencers or local bloggers can give you access to a larger, highly engaged audience. By offering them your products or services in exchange for exposure, you can increase your store's visibility and drive traffic to your business. How BNTC Retail Plus can support your marketing efforts. The BNTC Retail Plus program provides you with turnkey marketing tools to make marketing your retail offerings a breeze. Here's how. Easy to implement marketing materials. The program offers customizable marketing resources, such as social media posts, email templates, and promotional flyers, helping you advertise your retail products without the need for complex campaigns or additional staff. Pre-designed promotions and events. With Retail Plus, you gain access to promotional campaigns and event ideas that can be used both online and in-store to drive traffic and sales. These ready-to-go strategies help you get your retail products in front of more clients. Customer-focused retail strategy. The BNTC Retail Plus program offers insights into developing a retail strategy that not only drives product sales but also enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty.